Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video you are going to learning about how to unpin a pin shortcut of your Facebook navigation bar, which is pretty simple and easy to do. So before we start, my name is Stark and you are watching the Starkness Guide YouTube channel, on which I upload the tricks and tutorials for all of the social media apps. So what are you waiting for? Just hit that subscribe button down below and press that bell icon to stay connected. Thanks guys. So let's dive into it. And first of all, just simply open up your Facebook app. So first of all, let me clear to you that what specifically a shortcut navigation bar is. So this whole bar is called the navigation bar. In this bar, if you have pin pin one of the shortcut and you want to unpin it, so just simply follow the steps. Just tap at that profile picture in the top right corner and then tap at that gear to open up your settings and privacy. In your settings and privacy, just scroll a little bit until you get the icon of navigation bar. Just simply tap on it like that. So that's where to easily get the option to customize the bar. Just tap at customize the bar on the very top. That's where you can easily get all of your shortcut, pin shortcut, available shortcut, and hidden shortcut. So for to unpin a shortcut, tap on it like that and tap auto to unpin it, and then tap here, tap auto, just like that. So that's how you can easily unpin a specific shortcut of your Facebook navigation bar. So I hope it helps you guys. If it helps, then make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys, and do not forget to check the latest video on the end screen. Goodbye till the next video.